Hi there, I'm Lisa Arana, and I'm so excited to share this set of cards with you today. Unity Stamp Company has some brand new toner sheets with thermoweb that react with foil. It is a super easy way to create some amazing cards with lots of shine for the holiday season. I'm pairing the Gifts Aplenty toner sheets with this fabulous Say It Big holiday stamp kit by Unity Stamp Company. It has these big, bold sentiments that are perfect for holiday cards and little accent words to match. I'm starting out with my basic supplies here. I have the toner sheets. There's 8 in a pack, and I'm going to be pulling out 3 of those sheets. This is going to be all we need to create 3 cards. I also have 3 different colors of deco foil in a red, a green, and a teal. And we're going to do 1 sheet of each color with these toner sheets. So that's all we need to get started. I'm using the parchment sheet that comes within the toner package. Just unfolded that and placed my toner sheet on top of that. And then the foiling has a grain to it, so I want to make sure that that's perpendicular to the crease of the parchment paper, and then I'm going to run that through my laminator. You want to make sure the grain of that foiling sheet is going in perpendicular to the front of the machine. That just helps get a better impression. And then also try to make sure that your foiling sheet is as flat as possible. Bubbles and creases will impact the end result of your foiling. So here I'm just revealing that beautiful red color over the toner sheets. I really like the impression I got. I do have some little bits of black that are left over. I'm not worried about that. That's the helpfulness of having the black of the image from the toner sheets. It kind of fills in the misses that the foiling might not get. I ran all 3 colors through my laminator, and now I have 3 sheets of 3 different colors, and I'm just going to fussy cut out the bottom set of 3 gifts or packages. And I'm just fussy cutting out the top, and I'll probably just trim around the edge here. And then I'm going to fussy cut out the top 3 gifts that are on the top of the toner sheet. So out of each sheet, I cut a set of 3 presents at the top, a set of 3 presents at the bottom, and then just cut out each individual present that was left on the sheet as well. I have 3 card bases. We're going to create 3 different cards from all of these, and I'm just going to spread out the different colors. So I have a top set of 3 presents and a bottom set of 3 presents, and then just some little extras to the side that I'm going to fill in. And I want to make sure I have each of the 3 colors for all 3 of my card bases. So here I am just filling in the extra sets of the presents. So I have a plan in mind. I did all that prep work for each of the 3 cards and separated them out. I'm placing down my stamp so I have an idea of where that sentiment's going to go. And now I'm just going to start building up my layers. I'm using that set of 3 presents in the green color. I'm just going to add a bit of glue to the back and then grabbed a single present to kind of sneak into the back of that layer. So now that I have my idea of where everything is going to go, I sneaked in that red present behind the green and glued those down. I have another present I'm going to sneak over to the side here and glue that down in red. And I'm checking my placement as I go along. I want to make sure that you can see all those colors between the red, the green, and the blue. And we're just going to tuck that last little tiny present in behind the blue there. Now the blue I wanted to pop up. I do like a little bit of dimension in my cards, so I added some foam adhesive to the set of 3 blue presents and just kind of popped that up. And I'll do that for all 3 sets of cards, mixing up the colors of the foiling, but I'm just showing you the first card so you get an idea of how I built this. So I'm using my mini Misty to stamp my sentiment. It's the Mary from the Say It Big holiday stamp kit. I'm just going to stamp that a couple times in this red color from Gina K ink. I use the same ink that kind of matched the foiled colors, and I'll mix those up as I go along with making all 3 cards. And then there is a matching sentiment, the Christmas sentiment that I stamped in green, and I'm just going to pop that up over the Merry sentiment that I stamped down already. And then to finish everything off, I pulled in some enamel dots that just creates the same 3 colors in the sentiment that the same 3 colors were in the foil dots as well. Here are the finished cards. I just love that I could easily create a set of 3 with a fun combo of the foiled colors, and that big bold sentiment is just the perfect match to the whimsy of the shiny gifts, and the little accents of the enamel dots just finished it off all perfectly. I'll have all the supplies linked in the description of this video. If you have any questions or sweet comment, post below. Thank you so much for creating with me. I hope you were inspired, and I'll definitely see you next time. Bye!